Sitting back!
Oh, that's
That is
the
so
coolest
awesome,
thing
dude.
I've done always.
That is so awesome.
Why don't we have one in Atlanta? We do. It's at Six Flags.
Is it really?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Dude, I'll hang out right here and just watch it. Oh, nothing.
Awesome.
All right, let's get our video.